Hello, I'm your host, Shakil, and today we're going to talk about the extreme weather that hit the UK in the past few days. You may have heard about the mini tornado that struck Manchester on Tuesday night, causing widespread damage and forcing hundreds of people to evacuate their homes. But do you know what caused this rare phenomenon and how dangerous it was? In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about supercell thunderstorms and tornadoes and how they affect the UK. First, let's define what a supercell thunderstorm is. According to the Met Office, a supercell thunderstorm is a type of thunderstorm that has a deep and persistently rotating current of air at its center. Called a mesocyclone, this rotation can be caused by wind shear, which is the change in wind speed and direction with height. Wind shear can tilt the rising air in a thunderstorm, creating a horizontal rotation that becomes vertical as it is sucked into the storm. A supercell thunderstorm is different from a normal thunderstorm because it can last for several hours, produce very large hail, strong winds, and frequent lightning, and sometimes spawn tornadoes. Tornadoes are narrow columns of violently rotating air that extend from the base of a thunderstorm to the ground. They are formed when the mesocyclone becomes so strong that it tightens and stretches vertically, creating a low pressure area at the center. This low pressure causes the air to rush inwards and upwards, forming a funnel-shaped cloud. The funnel becomes visible when it condenses water vapor or picks up dust and debris from the ground. Supercell thunderstorms and tornadoes are more common in the US, especially in the area known as Tornado Alley, where the conditions for wind shear are favorable. However, they can also occur in the UK, although they are usually weaker and shorter lived. The UK gets an average of 30 to 35 tornadoes per year, most of them rated EF0 or EF1 on the enhanced Fujita scale, which measures the intensity of tornadoes based on the damage they cause. EF0 tornadoes have wind speeds of 65 to 85 mph, while EF1 tornadoes have wind speeds of 86 to 110 mph. For comparison, the strongest tornadoes, rated FEV, have wind speeds of over 200 mph and can cause catastrophic damage. The mini tornado that hit Manchester on Tuesday night was estimated to be an EF1 tornado, based on the reports of roof tiles being ripped off, trees being uprooted, and cars being damaged. It was part of a supercell thunderstorm that developed over the Irish Sea and moved eastwards across northern England. The storm also brought heavy rain, hail, and lightning, leading to flooding and travel disruption. A major incident was declared by the authorities, and the Liberal Democrats called on the government to hold an emergency COBR meeting to deal with the crisis. The next day, another supercell thunderstorm was reported in Lancashire, bringing more hail, lightning, and strong winds. However, no tornadoes were confirmed from this storm. The Met Office issued yellow weather warnings for rain and wind for most of the UK, advising people to be prepared for possible flooding, power cuts, and transport delays. The stormy weather was caused by a low-pressure system named Storm Garrett, which moved across the Atlantic and brought warm and moist air from the south. So, what can we expect from the weather in the next few days? Well, according to the Met Office, the UK will see a mix of sunshine and showers with some snow over the hills in the north. The temperatures will be below average for this time of the year, with highs of 12 C and lows of 2 C. The winds will be strong at times, especially along the coasts. There is a low chance of further supercell thunderstorms and tornadoes, but we should still be alert and follow the weather warnings and advice from the authorities. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the UK weather and the Supercell thunderstorms and tornadoes. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.